The absolute best way to set up your TradingView charts in 60 seconds. First, go to their website or mobile app and then click Chart. Turn on the dark mode so we don't blind our eyes, and then go to the chart settings and click Appearance. You can set your chart background to any color, but I just prefer the solid black. Next, you're going to want to turn the opacity down on your grid lines and then turn off all of this extra stuff in the other sections above. Then go to the Indicators tab and we're going to add some free indicators to our chart. I obviously have a bias towards the indicators by Lux Algo, so we're going to add a couple of those that are tagged with Lux. We can now see beautiful charts on any stock, crypto, or forex pair with any time frame thanks to the magic of the free TradingView platform. These charts are endless. You can go as far as using their drawing tools, creating alerts, sharing images of charts, creating templates, using their replay tool, and even sharing your own trade ideas to the social platform as well. If this video was helpful, just shoot me a follow for more tutorials just like this.